It has been a winding road to justice for victims of Kenya's post-election violence, 2 years after Kenya's worst political crisis. And now concern is rising following reports that Kenyans who may have witnessed the violence of the 2007 general election have allegedly been attacked or worse, received death threats from persons who fear they may be implicated in the election violence. ICC prosecutor Luis Moreno Ocampo now says this is unacceptable and has put the government on notice.
I'm preparing a letter to Minister of Justice to request information and details about this, and also about the measures the government is taking to protect these people, because this is basically a Kenya government responsibility. We have no witness in Kenya now because the investigation did not start. So no one can stop us attacking the people in Kenya.
There's been local and international concern over the fate of witnesses of post-election violence following the criminal court's formal application to begin investigations into Kenya's post-election violence last November.
One of the things that's raised with me during this visit to Kenya is the concern that people have that those who would be asked to be witnesses may feel very nervous about doing that. So there does need to be reassurance that they would be in no danger, they would be secure and safe were they to give evidence to the ICC.
And speaking exclusively to KTN, Moreno Ocampo maintains that the process of seeking justice at the criminal court was ongoing and that he was confident that he will receive a go-ahead from the pre-trial chamber.
There's no timeline. Judges can decide, and victims are sending reports and their opinion to the judges. I hope this will be soon. The judges will decide soon. But in the meantime, we are using this time to keep collecting information from here, from The Hague. So you don't see us there, but we are working here. I can take statement here in the seat of the court. So we invite different people who has information about the cases, and we are also inviting witnesses to come here to take testimony here. That's what I can do. So we're continuing the collection of evidence from here, from The Hague.
The prosecutor also dismissed as of no relevance a bid by two prominent Americans to block the International Criminal Court from handling Kenya's post-election violence trials. The argument of Professor Max Hilaire and San Francisco lawyer William Cohn is that Kenya's case does not meet ICC's threshold for crimes against humanity. It's been a tense 2 years following the country's failure to form a local tribunal to prosecute alleged perpetrators of Kenya's post-election violence and the arrival of the International Criminal Court. Many Kenyans and victims of the post-election violence will now be keenly waiting to know the International Criminal Court's next move. Beatrice Marshall, KTN Prime.